That's our trusty ship, the World Traveler. We're docked. We're doing a walk. It's the only spot where we're going to be docked here with the ship. So there it is over there. There's our fearless leader, Nelson. So we're going to have a little confab here.
Right between the ropes, okay? Right between the ropes, you will find...
Here's the latitude and longitude where we are at. We're north of the Arctic Circle, of course,
okay.
In this town of Ny-Ålesund.
We can leave this place clear, okay? Half of the group here, half of the group there.
Walking away from the ship, and we're heading up into town here. Walking along here. We saw a polar bear up there. He's way up there on the side, but too far away. But you can see him with the naked eye, but you wouldn't be able to see him on the GoPro. And there's a train, old train over there too. So yeah, it's a little chilly this morning. Got the old parka on here. First time wearing it today here. So all right, let's do some exploring here. Northernmost settlement in the world here, I think, is where we are at. All right, there it is. It says, welcome to Ny-Ålesund. Radio silence. That's our, we're ready for silent running here today. All righty. I don't know if we're going to be able to walk down to the old train. I'd like to get a little closer, but it's kind of roped off here, so may not be able to do that, but we'll see a little bit later there. Oh, I feel a few drops of rain, but there's the souvenir shop that we were in. They have all kinds of souvenirs up here to buy, and you have to take your shoes off when you go in the souvenir shop there. And right across the street is the museum that I was just in. And our ship is down there, down at that end, and up at this end, I don't know, just a mountain. There's an airport here somewhere here also, and I just felt a couple drops of rain come down. Okay. Somewhere over here, yeah.
Far back over there.
Yeah.
So I guess it's okay to go over now, but there's no pointing star.
There's a statue of some famous guy here. Oh, Amundsen. There he is. Wow, Amundsen. It looks like this is about as far as we can go with getting to the airship mast, because we got the sign here with the security point. Do not walk beyond this sign without a firearm here. And almost looks like a sign you'd see in Texas or something here, but we're up here in Svalbard here, and we got an empty pipe here in the ground, and there's the mast out there. And what you saw in the museum, that big airship, which they had built the hangar here also for it. So there it is. We can't walk up there. This is as close as we can get, but yeah, it's there. Okay. Oh, that's what the pipe is for, to half load your gun. There's the pipe down there that they're talking about. So that's what it is if you're going in here, and how to do it, because the mast is right out there. We did see a polar bear there earlier, but we're right down here, right down by the water. Here's our trusty ship over there waiting for us with food and drink and anything else that you could possibly want, probably. Like I said, right in back of me is the mast back there, and you can read more about in the story. I'll put more information you can look up on the internet in the description at the bottom there. So, okay, but there it is. I'm one man. We're at the northernmost settlement in the world here. It's not really a city. It used to be a coal mine. It's a research area now. But normally, sometimes we could walk down to the mast, but there was a polar bear sighting down there. And even if this group could possibly go down there now, the other groups won't have time, and it wouldn't be fair to them that one group did it and the other ones didn't. So I said nobody's going to do it there. But the polar bear is long gone now, so he's not a threat to us here. But if he was around here, you know, somebody would have to have a gun to go down here. All right, I'm one man signing off. Bye bye. Well, we're walking through the settlement here. A few drops of rain coming down, not much, but this, you know, I bought more t-shirts. You know, I got so many t-shirts at home I could wear a different one every day throughout the year. But you know me, I always like souvenirs, remembrances of the places that I've been. But these t-shirts I'll wear to the gym. So, and service thing here, I don't know what this is here, but it looks like quarters where people might live. And they got all these reindeer antlers here that we want to come over and have a look-see here that they might have found here. So yeah, I don't know what the rocks are for. Maybe these are different types of rocks, but here's all of them here. I don't want to touch them because I may not be allowed to. But yeah, different rocks and stones, maybe different things. I don't know, there's some scratches in that. I don't know if that might have been something from days of old in this type of rock here. And some other things look like volcanic rock over in there. And whatnot here, but the old antlers there. Okay. All right, we got another hour to explore here, so we got the old flagpole here, no wind. We got the old statue of Amundsen here. No crowds around it now. Something written on the top of that building over there. I can't see what it says. Something hotel. The Noordpole Hotel or something there. I guess when they have visitors or scientists. But no trees, of course. We're north of the Arctic Circle, so you're not going to have any trees or bushes or shrubs or anything. Well, here's a statue again here of Amundsen, 1872 to 1928, and it's written in Norwegian, I would suspect here. But there he is here, oh, Amundsen. Okay, up there and right down there. Alrighty. Oh, this is that one I pointed to earlier. It says the North Pole Hotel was built as a mining barracks in 1919. You could house up to 76 workers. It says we are here, we're right here. Our ship is docked up here. And I just walked around here. There's the hotel. And it says here at the same time that the Amundsen Villa was turned into a bar. Well, everybody was very happy about that. And around that time, mining operations were shut down, and blah, blah, blah. The hotel was kept up until war broke out in 1939. It was damaged in World War II. And the hotel is once again used for lodging visitors. So there it is. The hotel in here. There you go. That's what they call the North Pole Hotel. So yeah. And I'd walk inside, but I don't want to bother people that are in there. You know, I might be imposing on their privacy or something here, but yeah, there it is. Now, as you can see at the top, you just barely see it. It says Nordpol Hotellet, which is probably in Norwegian, but it's the North Pole Hotel is what it says up there on the top. So, all right, the battery's getting low here. I might have to charge a new one here. Okay, here's the post office here. If you want to mail a letter here, you can. I didn't mail anything because I got... Box will be empty twice a week, Mondays and Thursdays when the flights come in here. And see what's inside here. We're no longer allowed to have the souvenir stamps out. You'll get official postmark on your postcard. What did you say? We're no longer allowed to have the souvenir stamps out due to people stamping their passports. You get the all postmark checks really, so you can drop postcards here. And there's the inside. And I'm just looking to see what the inside looks like.
Well, yeah,
Okay.
the day of a written card is past.
I know.
They only collect twice a week.
Oh, you're not the post person, no. Okay.
And no, I'm writing postcards.
Okay. And the sign said they don't have the stamps out here anymore to stamp your.
Yeah, I bought mine earlier on.
No, the stamps where you stamp your passport. Normally
Yeah,
they
they'll
have.
do that.
Where at here?
Yeah, and they're gonna, if you mail them here, they'll collect it and they, right next door, they'll do it. Yeah, they do it.
On your passport.
Oh, on your passport.
Yeah, usually on your passport,
No,
places that you
they
go,
don't do that.
they have stamps,
I don't think they do that anymore.
and it's like a hand stamp. Where
Yeah, I did that in Ann Arbor.
yeah, they don't have that here. Then okay, there's the post office boxes there. There's nobody here at the moment here, so not much to see. So
Not
I'm
much to see.
gonna go back out here.
Okay,
See,
take care.
and here's a little stamp here. Somebody put a stamp on the door here.
Oh,
So-
somebody stole the stamp.
Yeah, because the sign
Yeah.
says they no longer leave it out. All right, bye.
Take care.
So I can't get my passport stamped here, which I was hoping that I could, but oh well, what are you gonna do here? So it would have been nice. Keep my eyes open for the polar bear here. So saying goodbye to the post office here. Back on the road. So there was the hotel over there. I want to go back now and look at the old mine train or the coal train that they had up here. They had a lot of stuff up here. You know, this was all from the 1920s and everything, and the airship with Amundsen and airplanes. This is like a lot of stuff going on here in the old days. All right. As we're walking back to the ship, we're again passing the great souvenir shop, and there's a mailbox there. Museum here, which I was in both floors, the first floor and the second floor here. So yeah, I want to get down that train. I think I can walk down there. I thought this trail would go down to the train, but I saw a lady walking down there. She got down the end and just walked back again. So, and all this says here is the bird sanctuary is marked off here, so we can't walk on there, but we can walk on the trails, but can't go down there any further. So well, this is as close as we're going to get to the old train down there, and I guess all the rest of the tracks looks like they used to come up here, because you can still see some of the ties here, and they probably went through the town, but since then the train was taken out and they built up all the roads over top of it here. So that's long gone here, but they just left the old train there. And it'd be nice to get some pictures close by, but no can do. Even M1 man can't do that for you today here. All right. They were flying around my head. There they go. I don't know where he went, but I'm trying to work my zipper on here, and the birds are flying around me. You can see him, he's right there. There's a nest down there. Alright, I'm going to get attacked here by the terns. So, alright, now by the time I get my camera on, can't get it there. There we go. Maybe he's going to come around me again here. I hear him right over my head. I don't know. He's over there somewhere. There he goes. Close call, close call. Oh, he's down there close to me there. Oh! Another one close by there. So, another one. Low passes on Ed's head here. So, I pick me out of the crowd here. I guess if he shows one kill, the rest of them will back off then, I guess there. So, I don't know. But I survived here. I'm still alive here. Okay. Well, it's about as close as I can get to that train, because it looked like it would have come down to what might have been an old dock. Looks like there could have been another track here. Looks like there might have been two of them, because as you watch the ties coming down here, looks like one set goes over there to where the train is on that track, and another set goes over here and then disappears there. So it might have been pretty booming back then. Nice little train. The engine itself looks in pretty decent shape there, with held up quite well. Maybe they've repainted it over the years, I don't know, but it looks in pretty decent shape there. And those people walking down there are people that live here, so they can have access to places where we can't. We can only stay on the roads. And there's the mast over there that we weren't able to go up and touch, but we saw it from somewhat afar. but not too far there. So, and all right, I guess about rounds it out. Head back to the old ship here, I think, right now.